Worthy Bonds Review 2025, a safe way to grow your savings. You won't believe how simple investing in short-term, safe bonds has become in 2025. Worthy Bonds offers an easy way to earn interest while keeping your money relatively secure. But is it the right choice for your savings? The surprising truth is accessibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming bonds are only for wealthy investors or complex portfolios. Worthy Bonds lets anyone invest small amounts, starting from giving everyday savers access to fixed income investments that pay a predictable interest rate. Another advantage is transparency. You won't believe what happens next when you see Worthy Bonds' clear terms. It's 5% annual interest, monthly beds, and full information about the borrowers and businesses funding the bonds. This level of clarity helps investors understand exactly where their money is going. Safety is also a key factor. Worthy Bonds are backed by real businesses and regulated under US securities laws. While there's no FDIC insurance, the platform emphasizes careful borrower vetting, reducing risk compared to unregulated alternatives. However, there are cons. Returns are fixed, meaning they may underperform compared to stock market investments over the long term. Liquidity is limited. You can't always withdraw funds instantly, which may not suit those needing quick access. Additionally, as with any investment, there is some risk of default. In conclusion, Worthy Bonds in 2025 is ideal for savers looking for a relatively safe, transparent and accessible way to earn fixed interest. While it's not a replacement for high-growth investments, its predictability and low entry point make it a solid option for diversifying your savings and generating steady returns.